Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I want to share with you one that's normally session never and see. This is Progress the Analyst, and here I keep you updated. I bring all the latest happening, everything to you. Now, something happened that a very dark man made a video. He did not address the video to Igbos. No. He said Nigeria. He did not mention the name of no particular place or community or tribe was mentioned. He just directs his speech to Nigerians. And believe me, the Igbo people carry this thing on their head. Start making videos and calling on the Igbos. Oh, Igbo people, be careful. Don't work with VeryDarkMan. Don't give VeryDarkMan your contact. Oh, blah, 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 blah. What is all this? Honestly speaking, we are the problem of ourselves. A situation or a scenario where two people have a misunderstanding and you carry it and the thing is not turning to tribal something. Let us just be careful. Anyways, I don't really want to talk too much. I want to carry you along for you to see the video that he made. Before all these Igbo people started calling up and down, they made places you're supposed to talk. You will never talk. But the one that did not matter, the one that did not concern you, that is how you will go and intrude on it. Now, let us listen to the video that he made before this chaos ends. I'll be right back.
All right, so there's a problem, and that problem has brought me all the way from Nigeria to China. Now, as you all know, VeryDarkMan uses his platform to advocate for victims that have been scammed by online vendors or whichever type of vendor. Now, they use my platform to say, okay, bring this money, or I call you out, and I call you out, not just calling you out, I write petitions, I go to the police, and make sure you get your money back. But there is a big problem that is hard for me, and that's the problem within China. Some people come to me and say, oh, I try to buy goods from China and I send the money to a Nigerian, the Nigerian will send me the goods. How do we get the person? No way. And secondly, the pattern that they use here in China is they use their name and their number to communicate with their victims in Nigeria. And then when you transfer money for goods, you transfer to a Chinese account. Tracking the Chinese account is usually a problem. So this is what brought me here, right? Now, I am here to meet up with some Nigerians that are heads of different associations in China. As you know, Nigerians are very, very plenty in this place. So they have different associations, president of goods, president of this, president of that. So I want to meet with all those presidents so that it can be easier to report anytime a Nigerian is being scammed. So I can easily say, so person, Mr. Kelvin, Mr. Ahmed, contact so woman in Nigeria. The woman can't send money for him. This so Mr. Ahmed, look in picture, look at this thing, help us check this guy so that I go return the money. You understand? So I want to try my best to make it easy. So that's the plan. I want to meet up with them. I know about one president, but others, I'm going to be giving you people my address because I'm moving from Guangzhou. I just landed Guangzhou. I slept over. I'll be going to Shanghai. So I'll be giving you my address in Shanghai so that we can meet up. You know, say you're president of this or you hold a very strong position in China. Make we just meet so that we will know I want to help ourselves and our brothers in Nigeria so that they don't get scammed. Also, this reason of scam, they make some manufacturers from here if you trust some Nigerians there, and some Nigerians from there no fit trust some manufacturer there, and which they also follow the crumble our Nigerian economy. You see the problem? So this is why I want to meet up with these people. Furthermore, I am meeting up with some tech guys as well to discuss on something I'm bringing up, and that thing is to help combat this online vendor wahala and the rest. I'm putting in a lot of money. I don't put plenty money inside the thing, and hopefully this thing when I want to will help a lot of people not to be scammed. So please, if you're in China, you watch this video, if you send me a DM, but again, I'll send you my hotel address for Shanghai. But I go Shanghai now, so that from there all of us go meet, sit down, talk about how to help our brothers and sisters from getting scammed while they are trying to do investment and start up a business. Also, I'll try my best to go to other countries from now on. You understand? Because this is what I intend to use my platform to do. Not be only every time just talk within Nigeria. No, there are bigger things I can do from outside. I'll send you my hotel address for Shanghai. But I go Shanghai now, so that from there all of us go meet, sit down, talk about how to help our brothers and sisters from getting scammed while they are trying to do investment and start up a business. Peace and love, don't play. If you play, you're gonna learn, and you're gonna learn the hard way. Bro.
Now, come to think of it, this thing that we are just saying, or we are just looking this way. Now, let's bring 3 things or 5 things together. Aladakpo market, time without number, we dey here where we see that they burn the market, they treat them like second-class citizen, they do a lot of things to them. Nobody will on their camera and start shouting and start talking. Nobody will ask the federal government of Nigeria question concerning that market. Oh, why the Igbos market? Why is it that it's only the Igbos market? No, nobody dey talk am. Nobody will ever mention the name of Ndigbo or call on the Yoruba people for this thing that is happening. Why? Because you guys are so scared. You don't want anything to happen to you. You are so scared. But just one man, you guys on camera and start shouting, he hates the Igbos, he hates the Igbos. Now, here they tell us say that war is never an Igbo coup. What happened? Till today, how many of you stood up? How many of you brought suggestion to the table? All what we hear is Ndigbo, they need 10 million naira to cover the case. Till today, you don't hear about the case again. No. That particular one or that moment that you should stand on your ground and let the world know that no, this thing they did to the Igbos is wrong. This thing has caused a lot of confusion and all that. You guys never did that. Now that the person said this in China, you people come out, oh, he hates the Igbos, he's a Nigerian, only Nigeria. Now, cause they remember say, oh, na be Biafra. People that for a long time, they're talking about this Biafra, they will say, no, I'm never a Biafra. But when there is a problem and you need people to fight with you, you will start mentioning Biafra. Oh, Igbos are Biafra. Biafra people come because now say Biafra people, some of them will just jump into issues that did not concern them. Nnamdi Kanu case has been on ground, has been drawing up and down. Simon Ekpa drawing up and down. Nobody, they make videos about the release of Nnamdi Kanu. You people are not talking about Nnamdi Kanu that is there with you guys back here at Abuja there. You guys are not saying anything about him. But when you get to the time you want to bring problem and you hate one particular person, you want people to join you to fight that your common enemy. That time, you will remember that Biafra people exist. You will remember that Igbos are Biafra. You will start bringing things that are not necessary. And some people will really dive into it. See, let me tell you something. The fact that you hate VeryDarkMan is nobody's business. That is your business. So when you are dealing with him, deal with him as individual. Don't deal with him as if you are a Biafra or you are Igbo. No. The problem on ground between VeryDarkMan and whosoever is a personal problem. So don't put it into tribalism. All along, Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa, the day back of your house, you have never for once called on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to release them. No. When they tell you say that war is never an Igbo coup, till today, what have you done? What rules do you put down? What do you want the people to do for this thing to be seen or for the Igbos to have justice? No. He reached VeryDarkMan and at there everybody don't turn to Igbo. Everybody don't turn to Biafra. Oh, that is nobody's business. Don't involve people into that your mess. Nobody will join you to dance in that mode you are trying to draw the people to, because the one where they for Nigeria, where they happen for Nigeria, you have never for once say anything about it. Igbo people where they burn their market for Lagos, you haven't said anything about it. Now this one you see, one follow people they call join your war. Nobody will join you. Igbo people, the real ones, they are wise and they are not after all these things. So my beautiful family, that's bring us to the end of this update. Do well to share the video, like and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, as I will keep updating you on all the latest happening. Thank you and bye for now.